Hello everyone, let's make a very quick and easy pan-fried tilapia fillet, and it's going to be very delicious. So without further ado, let's get started. So over here I have 2 fish fillets which I'm going to pat dry. Once done, I'm going to put my fish aside and then I'm going to move over to the stove top. Over here I have a frying pan. I'm going to be making chips or fries as per side dish of my fish fillet. So to begin with the fish fillet, which you're going to find every ingredient listed in the description box down below, I'm going to add in a few spices which are very mild. So I'm going to add in some paprika. I need a very nice color for my fish. Black pepper, garlic powder, and some salt. Once done, I'm going to add in a tiny little bit of oil because I'm going to be using more oil to fry my fish fillet. Mix all the spices together with the oil. This is going to make a very nice paste. Once done, I'm going to be picking up my fish and coat the fish with the delicious marinade. Coat the other fillets with the marinade. Once done, I'm going to place a pan over medium heat, add some oil, a little bit of oil because we've already added oil, and then I'm going to drop in my fish in the pan. As my fish is frying, my oil is ready for my fries, so I'm going to carefully drop in my potatoes, which are chopped into fries, and then I'm going to let the fries cook as I check my fish fillets. Cooking fish fillets usually takes a very short time because the fish easily cooks. So this is going to take 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Check on my fish, flip, just look at that. The moment I flip, I'm going to add in some thyme leaves, just like that, and let my fish cook together with the thyme. Check on my fries. This is how they're looking, and you can see how crispy they're turning out. The first round of my fries is ready, so I'm going to transfer to my paper towel to drain excess oil. This is the best fish and chips recipe because my fish is looking totally amazing, and it has a very nice crust on top, and I love my fries because they are fried perfection and they are crispy and let's not forget delicious. So I hope you try this amazing and simple recipe at home and enjoy.